Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rainsville local and long-distance movers near me. Getting the right cheap Rainsville moving company makes all the difference. With 3 Movers, you get an affordable price for your local or long-distance move. We also know how to make your move less stressful. Our movers have helped many different types of clients move houses, businesses, apartments, dorm rooms, heavy items, and more. If you work with us for your long-distance move, you can add the following options to your moving services. Packing services. Let us make your move super convenient by packing up all your things for you. Moving supplies. We offer the best moving supplies and packing materials available on the market today. An on-time move. Our movers never cause delays on moving day. We show up on time and get to work fast. Upfront pricing. With a quote from us, you won't have to worry about surprises on your final bill. Licensed and insured. We can be trusted to move your things as we keep everything fully protected throughout transit. A good moving company, like us, makes sure your long-distance move isn't stressful. When it's time to relocate one state over or across the country, we can help. Any move of 100 miles or further requires our long-distance moving services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rainsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.